Maria, at this whole scenario, you're from Tanzania. We did see the incident from neighboring Uganda with Kizza Besigye. What do you think this speaks about Kenya's role, quote unquote, if, as it were, and with the silence from authorities, no side has spoken yet? What do you think this speaks about Kenya being, quote unquote, a hive or a den of such activities, this not being the first incident?
I think that primarily it's first of all important to note before I answer that question, yes, that Kenya has always been looked upon by those of us from East Africa as a safe haven, as a place where you will find a lot of support, rule of law, institutions that protect, and also who would work with human rights activists in order to ensure that they're safe in case you get into trouble in your own country. So I think that reputation is one of the reasons many of us have decided to set up business, to start our lives again in Kenya, and to feel safe. Unfortunately, my take has been that there are elements within the forces who might be the ones who are very eager to collude. So it's very important for the government of Kenya to ensure that that same reputation and safety that we all have been looking upon and admiring and actually living under continues. Those people who come across trying to abduct us and trying to harm us across the borders should not be given any leeway. There should be a very intensive crackdown on the borders to ensure that these kind of security exchanges don't happen. If there is any need, legally, whether it is to take us to court or to extradite, that can be done legally. And this is one thing that I know Kenya definitely has, which is the rule of law. And there's a whole procedure for that. So I think this is very important to maintain for the government of Kenya.
Yeah.